So now I'm going to assemble the first stage for the Snickers cake. I have the peanut financiers ready here, frozen. Both egg and eggless are here. I'm just going to open and then check on them. And I also have the same loaf pan in which I baked. I'm going to prepare the loaf pan. So just need the cling wrap because we want it with the hang out, so we could just lift it up, and you want the cling wrap to go all the way inside as well. Okay, so have the cling wrap done here. I also have the first layer to go on the peanut financier. You see, chocolate fudge frosting. I've just filled it up in the piping bag, and I'm just going to pipe that on top of the financier and then set this in the freezer. And we have two more layers to go. The one on top of the fudge frosting will be the peanut toffee, and then on top of that we are going to have chocolate pour. Okay, so just going to open this. Okay, so I'm just going to use one of this. I'm going to place it inside. Putting it all the way in. And then on top of that, I'm going to have a layer about maybe ½ inch of the fudge frosting. I'm just going to pipe it out. So now one layer is piped, the fudge frosting is piped in. I'm just going to smoothen it out. Okay, so now this will go into the freezer. I can just wrap it on top to just avoid it drying, and I will get back when I'm ready with a peanut toffee to add the third layer on top to make the Snickers cake.